Alright, so guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how to add a waistband onto the back of the waist. How to add elastic onto the back of the waistband. Understand? So without wasting my time, let's get it done. So I'm making a trouser back 30, so I added some extra inches. So because of the waistband that I'm adding to the back, I added some extra inches to it to make it 31 inches, 31 or 32 inches. Understand? Anyhow you could do it. So this is the length of it. That is 6.5 inches. Understand? So we have mark here. You see this place? We have marked this place. Here you see, this is where we are going to put it. This place we have marked it with the pen like this. Understand? We are going to first put the first one here, then this place too we have marked here. Can you see it? And we have put it, we have marked here, right? So this is how we are going to do it. Please watch the way I'm doing it and you'll be able to see exactly how to do it. So we are going to first put this one on this side, on the down part this way. So please just watch the way I am doing it and you'll be able to see exactly how to do it. I'm arranging the thread well. Understand? So guys, please watch the way I'm doing it. I'm first stitching it this place, right? So just watch it. I'm sewing it and I will stitch it to make it hard. You sew it and you stitch it to make it hard so that it doesn't remove. So that the stiff doesn't remove. Hey, what do you call it? The elastic. So that the elastic is not gonna remove. So guys, after you have done this one, then you remove it like this. Understand? Then you remove it like this. Then you cut the excess thread from it. Understand? Then you cut the excess thread from it. Then this is what you're gonna do. Guys, please watch closely. So guys, now you are going to do this. You are going to move it straight forward to this place. Understand? To this place. Understand? Going to move it straight forward to this place, somewhere like this. Understand? Then you stitch it this like we did the first one. Understand? So please watch the way I am doing it and you'll be able to understand the way I'm doing it. I need to make it come a little bit front. Understand? Because of understand? So we are stitching it. You will stitch it to make it hard. You will stitch it to make it what? Hard. Understand? So guys, now I am done stitching the elastic, right? I'm done stitching the elastic though. So now I'm cutting the excess thread. You see, I have already stitched this place. Understand? This place. This place. So I'm gonna turn it. I'm gonna turn it. Then after I turn it, it's gonna be looking like this. Understand? We will be inserting the scissors inside. We'll be inserting the scissors inside. Understand? We're inserting the scissors inside like this. Then can you see so guys, can you see the way it's doing right now? So guys, this place too, we are going to insert the scissors. Understand? We are going to also add a lace onto it. Understand? But before we do it, I need to iron this place. I need to iron the front and this front and to come and show you how to sew it, right? Alright, so guys, now I'm going to insert the lace inside, then we just to stitch it to the end part. So just to be brave right here, understand? Now we are going to insert the lace inside. You understand? On the hole we have left here. Oh my god, how do we insert it inside? So guys, can you see I've inserted the lace inside, and now it's left for me to arrange the lace. You understand? Very well. So before I do it, I need to stitch it here. I need to stitch the lace here, you understand, so that it's not gonna do any miserability. You understand? I need to stitch the lace here, so that it's not gonna make it disturb me. You understand? So I've done stitching the lace here. So guys, can you see? So guys, can you see? Can you see? We are going to start stitching it and then get to the finish line. So just watch the way I'm stitching it. You'll be able to understand what I'm doing. You understand? The thread has been. Let me arrange the thread very well. So guys, the thread has been removed, so I need to what? So guys, now we are going to start stitching it. So we are stitching it from this side. This is what the way I'm doing it, and you'll be able to see exactly how to do it. Whilst you are doing it, you make sure that the lace too is inset inside correct. I forgot not to do the back pocket, because this one I'm not sure we used to do a back pocket, but anyways, let's get it done. That was still my time. Let's stitching it on top. Once we're stitching it, then you're making sure that the lace too is inserting it inside very well. You don't understand? So just simple. Just simple. You don't understand? Once you're stitching it, then you're making sure that the lace too is being inserted inside very well. You understand? So guys, now this is the difficult part. So we are taking it. So take your time to stitch it. Take your time. Take your time, and you'll be able to. You take your time, then you'll be able to what? Stitch it correct. You understand? Take your time, you're able to stitch it correct. You understand? So we are stitching it, guys. We are stitching it to make it come to the end part. You understand? To the end part of where it's supposed to be. So guys, I'm going to insert the lace into the other part. I'm not supposed to make it a lace on. I'm supposed to make it a belt hose. You understand? Because the lace on is tough. It's tough to do it. But anyways, I'm gonna do it for you to see. I'm gonna do it. You understand? I'm arranging the down part Now bringing it down part 1. So guys, now we are going to continue on stitching it. Oh my god, this thing, the way they do. Okay, let's get it. So guys, now we have stitched it, right? So guys, now we have stitched it. So guys, now we have stitched it. So now I've stitched it, and I've stitched it to make it join the waistband. You know what I'm saying? So guys, in this piece of, just to cut some of the lace. You understand, from it. Just to cut some of the lace from it. You understand? So now look, this is how to make the waist, to add what do you call it, elastic to the waistband. You understand? Then we can stitch it on top. Oh my god, I've made a mistake by cutting this. Okay, so guys, now I'm gonna stitch it on top to the end part. Made a mistake by cutting some of this. Oh my god. So I'm stitching it on top from this place to the end part. So just watch the way I'm doing it anyways. How I'm not supposed to do it this way. I'm supposed to do it a bit whose way. You understand? Because I do this way. See the way he's doing. Well, see the way he's doing. He's stressing me. Stitching it on top like this. Alright, so guys, now we have done stitching the waist, what do you call the elastic on the waistband. So if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, follow, like, comment and share this video. See you in the next videos.